Welcome to Knowledge Quest. My name is Miss Yvette, and today I'm going to answer your question, how do magnets work? Well, the first thing you should know about a magnet is that it has two opposite ends, or poles, a north pole and a south pole. Did you know that the Earth behaves like a magnet? It has a north pole and a south pole. At the North Pole, you can find an animal there. It's a polar bear, and I have a really great polar bear book I'd like to share with you. It's called There's a Bear in My Chair by Ross Collins. There's a bear on my chair. He is so big, it's hard to share. There isn't any room to spare. We do not make a happy pair, a mouse and bear with just one chair. When I give him a nasty glare, he seems completely unaware. I don't know what he's doing there, that bear who's sitting on my chair. I must admit, he has some flair. He has fine taste in leisure wear. I'm fond of how he does his hair, but still, I wish he was not there. I'll try to tempt him with a pear to lure him from my favorite chair. But he just goes on sitting there. Why won't he go back to his lair? Maybe I'll give him a scare. I'll jump out in my underwear. But no, of course, he does not care. That stinky bear sat on my chair. I understand that bears are rare. I know they need the utmost care. I know all that, I am aware, but still I cannot stand this bear. That's it! I'm done! I do declare this bear has led me to despair. It's not fair, it's not fair, I'm going now. I don't know where.
Hey, there's a mouse in my house.
The end. Earlier, we learned that a magnet has two poles, a north pole and a south pole. That area in between is called a magnetic field, but we can't see it. It's invisible. So to help demonstrate, we're going to use some iron fillings, and we're just going to have some fun with magnets. have to understand that all objects are made of atoms. Inside of an atom, you'll find electrons along with protons and neutrons. In an object, those electrons move in a random direction. But in magnets, those electrons, they move in one direction, and that causes those poles to form. As you saw in the experiment, not all metals are magnetic, but the most common ones that are iron, nickel, and cobalt. Thank you for joining us on this knowledge quest. See you on our next adventure.